Hey guys, so it's 11:15 p.m. I'm gonna take a nap because I'm so tired. I was tired like 5 hours ago, but yeah, I don't want to be too well rested for the plane because I want to pass out on the plane. So I'm gonna take a little nap. I'm gonna wake up in a few hours. So yeah. Toodaloo.
We're here, guys.
Yeah. I look good. Sorry.
You look nice.
Thank you.
And I'm just ready to go, like always. Ready to sleep in the plane.
Girl, I feel like I have too much energy.
Yeah.
You know, like when you wake up too early and then your body just tries to function.
Yeah.
But anyways, how are you feeling?
Exciting. Exciting.
I'm exciting.
Not awake yet.
I know.
I'm excited.
I don't think it's like hit me yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Until when we get there,
Yeah.
you're gonna be like, we're actually here. What the heck?
I'm gonna die. Bag checked.
Checked. Okay. Be careful of the back because we're still in costumes.
Yeah.
We walked past the fridge, but I don't know if it's
I know what you're looking for.
Oh, it is England. Oh my gosh. I was right. Why? Because it's not England. England and
Just eat it.
not gonna look nice. It's hot.
They did toast it for a while.
That's good. It's a good kind of toast though. I can't take a bite. Wait.
Oh, girl.
That's a lot of bacon.
Oh.
We're eating a lot of bacon. Oh my gosh, I look so funny. So funny.
Okay, we're gonna board soon.
Yes. Hi friends. She's in the plane.
Window.
She hasn't been in a plane
Since I was a baby.
she was a baby. I'm so ready to sleep again. I'm so sleep deprived.
My ears already hurt from my earplugs.
I'm always doing that. No way, I'm putting her on. Okay guys, we are I think 2 hours in our flight and she's asleep. Yeah, I was just watching Fox now, but the Wi-Fi isn't letting me. I paid $20. Yeah.
We're landing.
Soon. It takes like 10 minutes.
traditional owners of the land specs to elders past and present. The local time has just gone 12:26 and it is 21 degrees outside. For everyone's safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened and the aisles and exits clear until the seatbelt signs are switched off. Remember to take care when you open the lockers above and make sure that you have everything before you leave. At this stage, you'll be leaving through the forward and the rear doors. To go down.
Nice. That was nice.
Please be careful and mind your step as you exit.
Anyways, we're on the Sky Bus.
I keep ingat daw. She said take care. Yes, we're on a sky bus.
Yeah.
Here in Melbourne.
We're in Melbourne now. That's it. I don't know how I feel about the train.
Guys, I'm a strong woman.
We almost missed that train.
That was hard.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. I'm proud of myself.
We just checked in to the hotel. It's so quiet. This way.
Welcome to the humble abode. So we have our wonderful kitchen, everybody.
We're eating ramen. Ooh, let's go.
Oh my gosh, Cindy.
Wait, we have such a good
What
view.
we booked.
We have such a good
It's
view.
what we booked.
Oh my goodness. It's gonna be so pretty at night, bro.
This is our one bed because we're sharing a bed together.
It's pretty big.
Oh
my God.
It's
We have a TV. It's huge, bro.
oh my gosh, Cindy, I'm so excited. God, I'm so excited. Outside
Dude,
and outside.
that's scary
Cindy,
as
we
hell.
have to like
Go. Wait, bathroom lighting looks horrible like here, but on camera it's actually pretty nice. We are finally leaving. Yes, we are. Where are we going? We're just gonna shops and be spontaneous.
Yeah.
It's the first day, so we're gonna explore. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we're actually doing something.
Oh yeah.
Even though it's not that pretty here.
Oh, I didn't realize that was Woolies. Mecca.
Bro, it's literally so big.
Like they have one in Sydney, but no.
This is so cute, bro. I love these guys.
Fly. I want a bucket hat.
Whoa, what the hell? Maybe don't block the escalator.
Me too. Me too. I only drink water at home. I know. Me too. I
love
I was
soy milk.
looking at that.
Oh, it's like $2.
I love onion. This is a starter pack.
I want to carry it.
For starter pack for Filipino food and Asian food. Nice.
Yeah. We got one snack, a couple of drinks, some water for the hotel. And now we're gonna go to Kmart and we're gonna go get some dessert and then we're gonna go back to the hotel. Guys, I can finally go. I've never been before.
This feels so.
Wow, it looks so cool on camera. Bro, it's so bright still. It's mango bingsu, but it looks like egg and rice, okay? Don't... I feel like it's gonna go everywhere.
There's a hole underneath it.
I'm just gonna do it slowly so it like... Oh my god. Devoured. It was actually really good. Oh wait. Maybe. Oh my god. Oh my god. God, isn't that so smart how they like clip onto the wall? I like how I brought my camera with us, but I didn't actually like use it. American Moret. Welcome back.
I don't know how to post.
Take video. It's a video. But yeah, we just got to our hotel. I feel so rich. American Morales. Hey, where's my name? I paid for this room.
Wow.
My name deserves to be
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That made me this.
Oh, I feel so rich. Like, look how rich we look when we sit down.
Penthouse.
We're checking out the pool for tomorrow. Okay. Makeup, bro.
And then swim at night.
Hi guys. We're just checking out this room. Anyways, we're going back up to the room. We just wanted to check it out. Guys, look how funny the angle is where I am. I mean, it looks fine on camera, but like, it's actually, this is where my eyes, no. I'm gonna sleep now. I'm so tired, but I feel like I'm gonna have a hard time going to sleep. It's pretty up there. Okay, good night.